How to fix Binance Verification Failed. So if you want to fix the Binance Verification Failed, then first you need to open up your Binance application. Open up your Binance and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you've logged in, now you need to go with the upper left, which has that profile option. Tap on profile. Now go with your profile, and here you will have verifications option. Tap on verification, and here it might say the verification failed or web page not available or something like that. So what you need to do is you just need to simply go back, and you need to press and hold on to your Binance application. Go with your app info. Under app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and go with the clear cache option. Once you're cleared, you can also go with your clear storage, and you need to delete all of your app data. Once you've deleted, you can go back, and you can also uninstall and install the application again to fix your problem. But once you've done this, you just need to simply restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button and restart. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Binance Verification Failed problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.